Cardamom, Elettaria cardamomum, which is sometimes referred to as the queen of spices, has been part of Ayurvedic medicine since ancient times. Research suggests that cardamom powder may help reduce blood pressure in people with elevated levels. There's also evidence that inhaling cardamom essential oil may increase the uptake of oxygen into the lungs during exercise. Cardamom is an Ayurvedic spice that may lower blood pressure, improve breathing, and potentially help stomach ulcers heal. However, more research is necessary. What does cardamom taste like? The green pods, Elettaria cardamomum, also known as true cardamom, have the characteristics most recognized as cardamom flavor, an herbal warmth like a fragrant cross between eucalyptus, mint, and pepper, more citrusy than fennel and sweeter than cumin. What are the side effects of cardamom? Loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting after surgery, sore mouth and throat, urinary problems. Does cardamom taste like licorice? Does cardamom taste like licorice? Cardamom is complex in flavor and has a hint of fennel, giving it mild licorice and clove hints with a twist of citrus. It's the ideal spice to complement cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. Can we drink cardamom water daily? It helps in containing LDL, or bad cholesterol, which leads to excessive blood clotting in the body. By containing LDL, it helps prevent risks of heart attacks. It keeps blood sugar levels under control. Drinking cardamom water daily keeps the blood sugar level under control.